Students, today we are going to discuss about periodic table of the elements. This is the new modern periodic table. This is designed by Mosley. The statement of new modern periodic table: the physical and chemical properties of an element or the periodic function of their atomic number. In this new modern periodic table, these are horizontal rows. The horizontal rows in the new modern periodic table is called period. These are represented by Arabic numbers. There are 7 periods in the new modern periodic table. This is the first period. First period contains 2 elements, hydrogen, helium. Second period contains 8 elements. Third period contains 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period contains 18 elements. Sixth period contains 32 elements. Seventh period, incomplete period, only 14 elements. First period is shortest period. The reason is only 2 elements. First period is shortest period. Sixth period is longest period. Seventh period is incomplete period. The next one is group. How many groups in the new modern periodic table? 8 groups. What is the segment of group? The vertical rows in the new modern periodic table is called group. These are represented by Roman numbers 1 to 8. These groups are divided into subgroups A and B. A and B. First group: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. These are called first A group elements. First A group elements is also known as alkali metals. The meaning of alkali is plant ash. Simple trick is Halinaki, Rubina, close friend. Halinaki, Rubina, close friend. First A group elements valency is 1. Second A group elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These are called alkali earth metals. These all are obtained from earth. బెల్ మోగినా కానీ సార్ బయటకి రాలేదు. సెకండ్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ valency is 2. థర్డ్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thorium. These are called third A group elements. Simple trick: beta, alpha, gamma in triangle. Third A group elements valency is 3. What is the statement of valency? The combining capacity of an atom is called valency. Fourth A group elements carbon, silicon, germanium, tin. Next lead. క్లాస్లో సీత, గీత, స్నేహ పబ్జి ఆడుతున్నారు. ఫిఫ్త్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఫోర్త్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ valency is 4. ఫిఫ్త్ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ నైట్రోజన్, ఫాస్ఫరస్, ఆర్సెనిక్, antimony, bismuth. ఫిఫ్త్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ valency is 3. నవ్య పార్టీలో అసలు సభ్యుడు బిస్మిల్లా ఖాన్. సిక్స్త్ ఏ గ్రూప్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆక్సిజన్, సల్ఫర్, సెలీనియం, టెలూరియం, పొలోనియం. Sixth A group elements valency is 2. ఒరే సచ్చినోడా సిగరెట్ తాగితే పోతాం. Sixth A group elements is also known as chalcogens. What is the meaning of chalcose? Chalcose means ore product. Ore product. Next to seventh A group elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Seventh A group elements valency 1. First class brandin. First class bromine atmacor. Seventh A group elements valency 1. Last eighth group elements. Eighth group elements is also known as noble gases, zero group elements, rare gases, inert gases. All eighth group elements valency is 0. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Hey, Neha, అర్జున్ కృష్ణ జిరాక్స్ షాపు రెంట్కి తీసుకున్నారు. అట్ ద బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides are 4 block elements, actinides are 5 block elements. What is lanthanide and what is actinides? Lanthanides means lanthanum 57 lutetium 71. These are called lanthanides. Actinium 89 lawrencium 103. These are called actinides. Elements can be classified into 4 blocks. How many blocks? 4 blocks. S block, P block, D block, F block. What is S block elements? First A and second A. These are called S block elements. First A and second A. First A and second A are called S block elements. Next P block, SP. Third A to 8th. Third A to 8th these are called P block elements. Third B to second B these are called D block elements. D block elements. At the bottom of the periodic table, F block elements. S and P block elements are called representative elements. Representative elements. Which block elements is also known as representative elements? S and P block elements. D block elements is also known as transition elements. F block elements is also known as inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. In the new modern periodic table, majority of the elements solids. Some of them are solids, liquids, gases. In the new modern periodic table, black colors solids. Next red color gases. Next this color is liquid. Yes. Cesium, francium, mercury, gallium, bromine. These all are liquids. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen. These all are the examples of gases. This is the information about new modern periodic table.